Beautiful large one bedroom in Sunnyside. This is entrance. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. Got a closet here. It's the bedroom, a large bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes with a closet here. Beautiful kitchen, all renovated, a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. Comes with a dishwasher, microwave, windows in the kitchen. Beautiful apartment. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. Beautiful apartment near banks, restaurant, grocery shops, very close to the train station. The apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.